Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a quick video on showing you how you can play Ludo Club on your Facebook app. So make sure you log into your Facebook account and open the Facebook app. And the next thing you want to do is tap on the three horizontal lines that you see on the top right corner. And the next thing you want to do is tap on gaming. Now what you have to do is, if you don't find the option of Ludo Club, you have to do is tap on the search bar and type in the game name Ludo Club and then tap on Ludo Club. Wait a few seconds. If you want to add this game to your home screen, tap on add, or you can just skip this part. Now you have two options. If you tap on play now, you'll just play with a random stranger and you don't have to wait till another person accepts your request. And if you tap on friends, you can play with your friends, but you have to wait a few minutes till they accept your request. So just tap on friends, tap on classic, and then just scroll down and just tap on the play button whoever you want to send request to. So let's say if I want to play with a person, you just have to tap on the play button right next to their name, and you just have to wait a few seconds till they accept your request. And if you want to invite more people, just tap on invite more and you'll get the option to invite more people. So now you can start the game or invite more people. So I'll just tap on start game. So as you can see, the game has begun. So that is basically how you play Ludo Club on Facebook. If you have any problem regarding the video, make sure you leave your message on the comment box down below. Thank you for watching the video.